Welcome to this quick unboxing video. Here we have a Leica Geovid 10x42 HD/B 3000. And this is the latest model in the Leica range of range-finding binoculars. Not only does it range find, but it also offers a number of other functions we'll go into. And here you can see in the box we get the regular stuff that you'd expect. So a pretty comprehensive manual, and there's a whole bunch of accessories you can get, and then of course there's warranty and other bits and pieces. It has some pretty flimsy lens caps, as you can see, and then a pretty solid case which you could wear and use if you're into bird watching or other things, but for us long-range shooters, I tend to wear a harness, and so therefore this sort of box with its belt loops and what have you is put to one side, and I don't use it. The awesome thing about this set of range-finding binos is that it also has a ballistic capability and will also range accurately based on the angle of fire. So when you press the button, the cool thing is that you actually get an actual firing range distance, which is very useful for us long-range shooters. And one of the first things you're going to notice when we pull it out is the shape. It's got an interesting sort of shape in the hand, and that's down to the clever design they put together with regard to the Poro prism, if I've said that right, which is a very clever design. You can see the clear glass diopters, pretty large in the hand. The range button, nice, easy to use. Magnification, the diopters are easy to manipulate, as you'd expect, good solid feeling, and pretty easy to use in the hand. Here you can see the laser rangefinder going out to 3000, and let's take a quick measure of the weight. You can see it's a pretty solid pair of binos, much larger than some of the other products on the market, although in the field it doesn't feel too bad. Here they go, 2 pounds 3 ounces, so pretty heavy. And that's what you expect for solid and expensive glass like we've got here. And in this particular case, as a user of this for many years, the previous model, I can say that the quality of the glass is exceptional. And that's what you're paying for. Not only a package that does ballistics, but also the quality of the glass and the capability to range out to extreme distances accurately. Just taking a little peek at the accessories, clearly you get all the usual stuff like a lens cleaner and what have you. So the main downside is these flimsy lens covers. Because it has built-in software, you have to use a micro SD card to sort of make any changes to the ballistics, and you may wish to use those. I don't tend to. I tend to use the instant ranging capability and the highly accurate quality wide field of view you get with these binos, and then I compare that with some other tools like an app for figuring out my firing solution based on the actual distance and angle, since it compensates for the angle. So I just need to know what the range distance is for the shot I'm taking, and then I can plug that in and use my own setup with regard to the ballistics. So as you can see, a solid set of binos, amazing distance covered, and very high quality glass. That's a summary of the Leica products.